Online in 24 hours with leased IPs. See how PubConcierge does it. Let's break down how. Step 1. Inquiry and initial contact. We need to understand your traffic type, geo-targets, and IP volume needs fast. Step 2. Technical and compliance review. We run a swift KYC and use case validation. We're making sure you're legit and aligned with global standards. Step 3. IP pool, matching and allocation. Our internal system matches you with the right IP block, residential, data center, static, or rotating. Step 4. Network setup and configuration. Our provisioning team configures your IPs so they're ready to plug and play. Step 5. Testing and troubleshooting. You'll get access to a test range or staging environment. We'll work with your DevOps team to fine-tune everything. Headers, routing, response codes. Step 6. Full access. Once verified, full access to your leased IP range is granted. You're now live with production-grade IPs ready for volume traffic. Get in touch at sales@pubconcierge.com for instant access to premium IPs and risk-free tests. Hit subscribe for more iPedge tips.